Hello, my name is Vinay, and this is my quick math ball term project for 15112. And so the basics of the game is that you start off as a player as a ball on the ground, and then a few seconds after the game starts, logs will start falling down from the sky with math problems on them that are randomly generated. And if you answer the problem on a log correctly, you will jump onto that log. And the objective of the game is to go as high up in the game as possible and to reach a high score. If you're still on a log that's about to fall off the screen, the game will be over. And yellow logs are power-ups. So let's go ahead and start the game. And so for the demo, I'll be running the game in practice mode. And in practice mode, I can click on any log at any time uh, in order to see how to answer the problem. And I can also click the space bar to pause the game at any time. And so let's give the logs a second to fall. Okay, so as you can see, logs have started to fall from the sky. So I'm going to pause this to just to show the logs real quick. So each one of these math problems have been randomly generated, and if you click on a log in the practice mode, you can see the steps to answer the question. So for simple problems like 6 plus 2, there's not many steps, but for more complex problems, there'll be multiple steps. So let's see what happens when we press 8.0 and click enter. You see that we jump onto the log. So at this point in time, the game has started. If I'm still on this log, when the log falls off the screen, the game will be over. And so let's see what the answer to this next problem is. Negative 56.0. So let's try answering that. So you see we jump onto that log. And as you can see, now there are yellow logs, which are power logs. If you jump onto a power log, you get a 10-point score boost and you get to jump higher up in the game. So the answer to this power log is negative 2.0. So as you can see, when you jump onto that log, you end up jumping higher up in the game. And to show the game over feature, if I'm still on this log and the log falls off the bottom of the screen, the game is over and the final score is revealed. And I can press R at any time to restart the game or I to go back to the main screen. This is my project, and thank you very much for playing.